Welcome to this video. In this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can automatically delete the application log. So here right now we can see the ABAP coding, how you can implement and use application logs in ABAP. If you would like to get to know more information about the setting, about the logic, I will link the corresponding video here right now to you. And here, if we, for example, go into the application log, so into the transaction SLG1, and there we view for our object and sub-object, and then here we can see two application logs that we have created. And within this, if we would like to get to know more, so we click on the technical information, then within here we can see that the expiration date has been set almost to infinitive. So this won't be expired basically. And a recommendation is to set the expiration date to automatically delete these application logs in the run while deleting the application logs. So for example, SAP Basis can run the SLG2 transaction. So let's use another window. So for example, this one, SLG2 transaction, and here you the Basis can specify delete only logs that have reached their expiration date, or for example delete logs also before their expiration date. And the recommendation is to set up an expiration date, not to blow up the database, really to save memory and to save also patience for SAP Basis. And within ABAP coding, it's really easy to implement this. So let's go once again into the ABAP editor, into the SE38, and let's easily add this logic. And therefore here within this section, we have specified the header information for this structure. And if we have here a closer look into the structure, then we can also see that within here, we're having a component. It's AL date underscore DEL. And here you can set up the expiration date. So this is what we need, and you can easily do this. So for example, if we are using our variable, in this case log, minus LDate underscore del, and this you can just simply equal to the current date, so sy minus datum, and then just add the number of days until then the application log should be deleted. So if you specify something like this, so plus 30, then from today 30 days in the future, this will be the expiration days, meaning that in 30 days the application log will be deleted. So then Shift F1 for pretty printer, Control F2 for syntax check, Control F3 for activating this, and then let's run this basically. So here we won't see anything, but let's go once again into the SLG1 transaction. So execute this once again. So now we can see that a third entry has been created. And if we now go to technical information, then within here you can see that the expiration date has been set properly. And this is what I recommend doing if you're using application logs. So if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.